I started losing my hair when I was mid-20s. And as time goes on, I lost more and more hair. Then about 2 years ago, looked in the mirror and said, enough of this. I gotta do something. I'm not happy with what's looking back at me in the mirror. Came to see you. You put all my worries to bed. Fear's gone. Straightforward, what needed to be done, one step at a time, and move forward with it. First procedure went well. Second procedure went phenomenal, and I couldn't be happier with the results now. I mean, that just gave me the catalyst for me to get myself in good shape. It helped me to change my life, make me a healthier person, give me a lot of the confidence back. Everybody I've known for a long time, they just, it's like, you look 10, 15 years younger. The procedure itself, easy. The recovery, the first time, a little discomfort. Apparently I had a little more sensitivity in the back of my head than most people do. And so for the second round, you chose to do a little Botox back there, and that worked perfectly. Minimized the discomfort after that. So it was, so the second round was just, just made the recovery so much easier. The degenerated hair started filling in pretty quick within, after about 3 months. It restored my confidence. Thank you.